by stone, I built you a home where the river bends and the wild grass grows, not for glory, not for the crown, just to keep your memory off the ground. 22 years I carried you near, wrapped in ivory, silver and fear. They said let him go, lay him to rest, but I kept you close against my chest. Sweetheart, sweetheart, Dulce Cor, this is the ruin that love built for. Red stone standing centuries on, still holding on when the rest is gone. Sweetheart, sweetheart, hear me call. I loved you longer than these Abbey walls. Our son wore a crown for a season no more. Kings came marching through this door. Empires rise and empires fall, but love outlasts them, love outlasts it all. Lay me down where the high altar stood, hard against hard like a widow should. Let the roof fall in, let the towers bend. I kept my promise to the very end. Sweetheart, sweetheart, Dulce Cor, this is the ruin that love built for. Red stone standing centuries on, still holding on when the rest is gone. Dulce Cor, still standing after all these years.